Alright guys, so today we're just going to be learning how to put your Maytag washer into diagnostics mode. So first thing you want to do, you want to start in the middle with the dial, and you want to make it go 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left, and then 1 click to the right again. So as soon as you do that, you'll see flashing lights, popping up. What you want to do is scroll until you see 2 lights that are right next to each other. You press start, and then that's when you enter manual diagnostics mode. Right after that, you want to press start again just to initiate or activate the lid lock switch, and then from there you're good to go. But for here, the thing was that sometimes these washers are a little bit finicky. What I mean by that is that you can enter it, but then for some reason you can't activate any of the major components inside your washer. So what you have to do is basically disconnect it and just do the process all over again. Sometimes it does take a while for you to hit it right on the mark. Right here you can see me struggling, but just bear with us, or bear with me better yet, and we'll get you rolling right now. But basically the main things that you want to test is your water valve, which is the hot and the cold water coming into your washer, and then your drain pump, obviously your lid lock switch, and then after that on the other side you'll have to test your pulley, your actuator and things like that, just to see if it's agitating and spinning right. So right there, when I just turned it to the right, or better yet the left, that's me testing the water valve. So it'll be the hot and the cold, and then right after that you want to keep turning the dial until you see those 3 lights touching each other. That's your drain pump. The way you activate it, you just press start, and then to stop it, just press start again. And then if you want to go back, just turn the dial back to once you start it. So right there, I'm just trying to drain whatever water's left over. So on the other side, we're just going to test the agitating and the spin. So that's the first level of the agitation. So what you're going to start hearing is just, the actuator activate the pulley, and then that's, it going. Obviously, this video is a little bit sped up, so it's not going as fast as the video is showing. That's the next level. That one should go slightly faster. That's just to test if it's actually doing the way that it should. And then right after that, you're going to test your spin. But as you can see, if your agitator was just spinning on its own, it's either one of 2 things. The hub, which is located under your agitator, is already kind of stripped out and it can't really engage with the spin basket. But it might have just been like a little bit faulty, where it wasn't able to initiate or clamp itself on properly. So it could be one of those 2 things, but that's why it's always good to just kind of disassemble and check these parts just to be on the safe side. But you see how the agitator kind of goes faster than the spin basket. So that's a worn out hub. But yeah, hopefully this video was helpful, and stay tuned for the next one.